Hello guys, welcome to Tip of the Day. Today's tip is New Files app. Let's go and check it out.
Now we are going to discuss about the New Files app. This is a new feature came into exist with the latest version, and previously we have an application known as iCloud, which is not a full-fledged file manager. And Apple has cleared the riddle with this new feature known as New Files app. Yeah, we used to depend upon the third-party apps, but as compared to the default apps, they are not secure as well as they are lagging in the performance. As we all know that the default apps are good at their security as well as their performance. As we don't have any perfect or the secured file manager in the previous versions, as we see in the Android operating systems, and Apple has fulfilled this feature in this latest OS. This is actually a good update. Yeah, now we are going to check that. Go to New Files app. Yeah, we are on the home screen of New Files app. On the browse section, we have a search bar. Over there, we can search any file or any folder from the entire applications. And we have the local section. In the local section, we have by default we have iCloud Drive, where we can save off online, and we have on my iPhone to save on the local device. And beneath we have recently deleted option. This option is all about the things which we have deleted from the Files app are not permanently deleted. They move to this particular genre. And as we have recycle bin on Windows and trash in Mac, this option is similar to those. And we can even enable some third-party apps over here. First we have to download that from the App Store, and we have to log in, and then we have to enable that. And I've already added the G drive. By clicking on edit, got an option for enabling and disabling. Now I'm enabling the Adobe scan. By clicking on done, I'm done, and the Adobe scan is available now. By clicking on edit, I'm disabling that. Like this, we can access the third-party apps over here. In the favorite section, we have tags over here. These tags are like red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple and gray. These are color-based tags, and the few over here in the beneath we have work, home, important. These are label-based tags. Using these tags, we can easily categorize and filterize the folders and files. This feature is also available on macOS. Yeah, now we are going to see how to customize the folders as well as the files. I'm moving to iCloud Drive. Yeah, we are on the screen of iCloud Drive, and we have the search bar as similar, and we have the folder creation option, and beside we have some sorting filters like name, date, size and tags. And as we are on the grid view, we can even switch for list view. Yeah, now we are going to see how to create a new folder over here. By clicking on new creation option, a new folder is created, and I'm naming it as a sample. Yeah, my new folder is done. I'm opening my new folder. Yeah, it's empty. We'll add some file over here. I'm adding my address too into this file. By mini tapping on that, we got some options over here: copy, duplicate, rename, move. I'm clicking on move. Yeah, we got some options. I'm addressing that and I'm tracing that. In iCloud, I'm moving it to sample folder. By clicking on move, we can easily move to that my new folder sample. Yeah, my address too is done over here by long pressing on that. And we got some more options over here like delete, share, tags, info. I'm clicking on info. We got the details of the folder and file, when it is created, and the kind and size, and where it has been created and the created date. And I'm adding a tag. Here we have some default tags over here. Some are based on color and few are of label. And if you want to choose any of these, we can choose any of this tag, but I want to create a new tag over here. I'm creating that. I'm creating that as label, and I'm selecting a red color, clicking on done. Yeah, I'm done with my task. Yeah, my file is upgraded with this tag, red tag. Now we are going to see how to search a file or folder. Back to iCloud Drive. On the search bar, typing sample. Here we got our file. Back to sample. Yeah, we are on the home page of the new files app, and on the tags we can click on red. Yeah, the red deleted files are shown over here, and the green simultaneously. Yeah, now we are going to see how to delete the file which we have created earlier. Moving to iCloud Drive, and this is our file, and I'm selecting that, I'm checking that. The beneath of the screen we have some options. I'm selecting the bin option. Yeah, I've deleted that, but that's not permanently deleted. This type of deleted scenario will be seen in the recently deleted option. Yeah, we can even delete permanently from here. Yeah, I'm going to select, and I'm going to check that particular file. If I click recover, the thing will be recovered as it is. I'm clicking on delete all option. Yeah, I've got a delete confirmation pop-up, and again I'm selecting delete. Things are permanently deleted. This is all about the new files app.
Hey guys, please do subscribe my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon for latest updates. Thanks for watching.